Welcome back to Digital Wiz Academy. If you've been following along, you already know that we've delved into collaboration and project management in Figma. But now we're stepping into a powerful area that can truly elevate your design game: Figma plugins. Dear friends, plugins in Figma extend the platform's capabilities, allowing you to streamline your workflow, enhance your design process, and boost overall productivity. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at some must-have plugins that every designer should know about. We'll also cover how to install and use these plugins, along with exploring some advanced features that can supercharge your work. So whether you're a seasoned Figma user or just starting out, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Dear friends, let's kick things off with some must-have plugins that can significantly improve your design workflow. These plugins are designed to save you time, improve the quality of your designs, and make your life as a designer a lot easier. Content Reel. Friends, first up we have Content Reel. This plugin is a game changer when it comes to generating placeholder content. Whether you need text, images, or icons, Content Reel has you covered. Instead of hunting for placeholder content, you can quickly generate it directly in Figma. This makes it easier to create realistic mockups in no time, which is especially useful during the early stages of a project. Unsplash. Dear friends, next on the list is the Unsplash plugin. Unsplash is well known for its extensive library of high-quality, royalty-free images. With this plugin, you can access Unsplash directly within Figma. No need to leave the app to find the perfect image. Just search for it in the plugin and insert it right into your design. It's a huge time saver and keeps your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Stark. Dear friends, moving on to Stark, an essential plugin for accessibility. As designers, it's crucial that our work is accessible to everyone, and Stark helps make that possible. This plugin allows you to check color contrast, ensuring that your designs meet accessibility standards. You can also simulate various forms of color blindness, helping you design inclusively for all users. Accessibility isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have in today's design world. Iconify. Dear friends, last but not least we have Iconify. If you need icons, this plugin is your go-to resource. Iconify offers a vast library of icons from different sets, including popular ones like Material Design and Font Awesome. The beauty of Iconify is its simplicity. Just search for the icon you need and insert it into your design with a click. It's perfect for those times when you need to add visual elements quickly and efficiently. Dear friends, now that you know which plugins to use, let's talk about how to get them up and running in Figma. Installing and using plugins in Figma is a straightforward process, but it's worth taking a moment to walk through the steps. Number 1 is installing plugins. Dear friends, to install a plugin, start by clicking on the Figma logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Plugins, and then Browse Plugins in Community. This will open the Figma community, where you can search for any plugin you need. Once you've found the plugin you want, simply click Install. It's that easy. The plugin will be added to your account and ready to use in your projects. Hope you successfully get to know how to install plugins. Dear friends, once you've installed your desired plugins, accessing them is a breeze. Right-click on your canvas, then go to Plugins, and select the plugin you want to use. Each plugin has its own interface and set of instructions, but generally they're designed to be intuitive. Whether you're generating content with Content Reel or checking accessibility with Stark, you'll find that plugins integrate seamlessly into your Figma workflow. Dear friends, let's talk about managing plugins. Dear friends, over time, you might accumulate a variety of plugins, so it's important to manage them effectively. To do this, click on the Figma logo again, go to Plugins, and then Manage Plugins. Here you can see a list of all your installed plugins. You can update them, remove ones you no longer need, or even find new plugins to try out. Keeping your plugins organized ensures that you always have the right tools at your fingertips. Dear friends, now that you've got the basics down, let's take it up a notch and explore some advanced plugin features that can really take your designs to the next level. Number 1 on my list is automate repetitive tasks. Dear friends, one of the best things about plugins is their ability to automate repetitive tasks. Take Autoflow for example. This plugin automatically generates arrows between frames, helping you create user flows with just a few clicks. Not only does this save time, but it also ensures consistency across your design documentation. If you're working on complex projects with multiple screens, plugins like Autoflow can be a real lifesaver. Second one on my list is enhanced prototyping. Dear friends, another area where plugins shine is in enhancing your prototyping capabilities. Figmotion is a plugin that adds advanced animation features to Figma. With Figmotion, you can create complex animations and micro-interactions directly within Figma, without needing to switch to another tool. This is particularly useful for designers who want to bring their prototypes to life with rich, interactive elements. Third and last one on my list is design systems management. Dear friends, finally, let's talk about managing design systems. As your projects grow, so does the need for a well-organized design system. The Design System Organizer plugin helps you do just that. It automatically organizes components, styles, and documentation within your Figma files, ensuring everything is neatly categorized and easy to find. This not only saves time but also keeps your design system up to date, making it easier to maintain consistency across projects. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to Figma plugins. Dear friends, we've covered essential plugins that every designer should have, walked through the process of installing and using them, and even explored some advanced features that can supercharge your workflow. In our next video, we'll dive into design systems and best practices for creating and maintaining them in Figma. Design systems are crucial for ensuring consistency, efficiency, and scalability in your design projects, and we're going to guide you through every step of the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow designers. And of course, make sure you're subscribed to Digital Wiz Academy and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Together, we're mastering Figma one tutorial at a time. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.